Let's dismount. I guess nearby.
Okay. Yeah, let's go east, boys. Let's take east this time.
Oh.
No. They won't be taking this place.
Someone's at our back line?
Is someone at our backline? Oh, that's Sasha. Is someone at our backline? Can my backline check who's there? Okay. Dismount. Look at me.
I'm gonna go check.
Yeah.
Wait. Halt. No need.
Okay.
No need.
Yeah, wait. They said wait. Back off. They said wait. Back off.
Uy, flying guard drone!
Cool downs, boys. Cool downs. Okay, so Sasha's here. Okay, dismount. Full check and see if you haven't done that yet. And
Just type ready, bye.
They're ready. So their collar is on a mace now. So get ready, yeah. Be careful and try and brawl their front line. Brawlers, go ahead, go them. Start some panic, yeah. Okay, after this inertia ring, we're gonna go in deep. Follow me. We're gonna go in deep, boys. Okay, follow
They're
me.
looking.
Yeah, they're looking. Okay,
They're looking. Okay, they missed.
Defensive.
Defense on the front.
Okay, nice. Defense is on the front line. Okay, we're gonna go in. Look for the crown. Yeah, look for the crown. Drop damage on the crown and okay. Keep going. Just roll them for now. I need cleanse on me. Okay, keep going. Just roll them. Okay, look for the crown now. I'm going in deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now, boys.
Everything.
Kill them all. Let's go. Keep going. Press them. Defensives and heals on the front line. They're looking.
We clump here.
Okay. Clumping. They're clumping.
Just run them
Get your
over.
cooldowns ready. Get your cooldowns
It's over.
Get your cooldowns ready. Next engage.
Not yet.
Next engage in 2 seconds. Look for the crown. We're going in deep in 5, 4,
Inertia.
3, 2, 1. On me now.
Shallow.
Kill them all. Shallow.
That's
Nice.
It's over.
Nice.
Okay, GG.
What the fuck? Oh my god, this is so boring. Damn.
Thank you
Okay, thanks
for
for
the
the loot.
donation.
Wipe them out.
Looters, loot right away, guys.
Loot, everyone.
Loot right away.
Start looting. Okay.
Wala pa lang engage na naman. Di naman nakapag-heal yung healers.
We want
One more.
Oh, okay. So this is silver farming, Brando. Silver.
Okay, this is silver
Take
farming.
next
Okay, guys. Let's look for fixed fight. I think we're unstoppable. Print screenshot this lineup. I need this lineup.
Start looting, boys.